8:53 a.m. and I look so musty. We're trying to get our luggage right now. My dad. Yeah, I'll see you guys later because I look like a mess right now and there's also hella people watching, so I'm kind of scared. We're in the car now. Daddy, say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys, we just finished getting ready. I reunited with my sister. I'll update you guys when we get in the car because my dad's gonna we're gonna go pick up the car that we're gonna drive and then we're gonna head on over so we don't have to take public transport. But bye bye. Hi guys, we've made it into the restaurant. It's now 8:37. It's been like an hour, almost an hour, and we're waiting in line to order. It's like a very fast-paced restaurant, so you go up there and you just tell them what they want and then they give it to you right away. So what are we gonna get?
We're gonna get Papa, what are we gonna get? So we forgot. We're gonna get the taipei.
Oh yeah, 2 egg rolls, one rice roll,
and we're gonna get
and then 2 soy milk. One for here, one to go.
No, 2 to go, one for here. And we're gonna dip our
youtiao in the soy milk because I've never tried it before. We're sitting down now, and this is the tempeh.
Taipei is the best. Ooh, we sat wrong. Now we're gonna chow ta.
Okay, look at how amazing this is.
That taipei is so cute.
Wow, look at this. Oh, this is actually really good.
Last time Daddy and I tried a bunch of stuff we don't usually get.
It's beautiful. Hi guys, we're in this super cute Snoopy themed 7-Eleven. Like, do you guys see all the Snoopy stuff? Oh my god, they have Slurpee, Sakura and rose flavor. Guys, look at this Labubu coffee that they have. It's so funny. So I think we're gonna check downstairs to see. Oh, look at him. Look at them. This is so cute. Oh. I'm getting content for TikTok, so go follow my TikTok, please. Okay, we're gonna taste test our drinks. I got a brown sugar latte. She got the Taiwan special. It has like air jelly in it. It's super cool. And then my dad got a espresso tonic.
Oh, he's mixing it.
I think. Hey guys, we're now in this like new mall place. And look at the Starbucks. It's so pretty. How is it? Yummy? Yeah. We're gonna try the drink.
This is so good.
We're getting this Japanese breakfast.
Yeah, I went to like reservation wars for it.
Yeah, we were literally on call with each other trying to get it.
I couldn't even get like a normal time, so we're eating at 2.
So we have like 2 hours.
And it's like Japanese
12, 11.
breakfast, like grilled fish vibes.
Yeah, I'm so excited because I really like Japanese breakfast. But
Yeah.
until then, we're just gonna walk around, film shoot probably. Yeah. See y'all at lunch. It's like slimy. Oh my god, is it not though?
Oh, maybe.
Ooh. Oh my god, I think it's kind of like natto. There's like a little side.
It's good.
It's good. This is just like Coke. But it does like, it has a sparkling aspect. It tastes like ginger ale.
It's a little bit.
Yum. Hey guys, we just finished with our facial. It's super hot outside, but we're getting a cup of coffee before we head back home because we have a buffet reservation at 2. My skin feels so like replenished, but she popped so many of my pimples, so like it hurt really bad during the process, but now it feels nice and glowy. Back at the same cafe we were at yesterday, we're at Barista Ray, and we got 2 of this banana mocha coffees because we love it so much. See you guys when we go to the buffet. Hi guys, we finished at the buffet and we've just been walking around. And it's so hot, but we are stopping by for a little treat. I got a Dubai chewy cookie. Yep. Oh, there we go.
I'm so scared it would fall out.
It smells good.
The chocolate smells so
Wait,
rich.
this smells like it's gonna be really good. I'm not sure.
It's good?
We're gonna go to a bar later, so we'll update you guys when we head on over there. I mean, they're both cocktails, so we're gonna taste this. This one's almost like a slushy, I think that's what he said.
It's good? Try the other one.
Try to drink this with a big gulp.
It's good.
It's like the best. This doesn't even taste
Ever?
like alcohol.
That's crazy, girl. Really?
Like, try it. Also, the food smells so good. Isn't that really freaking good? This one's a lot more strong. But it's cool.
It's like funny.
Yeah. This one. Alright, we're gonna enjoy this. Hi guys, it is Wednesday, June 24th, and it's 12 p.m. and we're getting Hiku Niku Takam, which is like a hamburger steak place, and it's so cool, super yummy. We got it last year, but they give you 3 hamburger steaks, and then you eat it like 3 different ways. So I'll update you guys when the first hamburger steak is being served. The first hamburger steak is here. This one I think you're just supposed to eat by itself. Good. This one's really good.
Try the lemon.
See you guys. Hey guys, we're eating the second meatball. And for this one, you eat it with like radish and this marinade. So, yeah, we're gonna eat it now. The meat is cooked to perfection. Hi guys, we're getting tofu pudding now. Our favorite spot because they use like crushed peanuts and it's so good. But it's really hot today. It's like 90 something degrees.
Feels like
But it
a
feels
million
like 100
degrees.
because it's really humid.
So this still has about a hit. It's about a hit.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is the fit for the day. I'm wearing the same pants and the belt.
Cute. Cute.
So hot. This is her fit. Okay, I'll see you guys inside. We're inside now. So hot outside. We've been using these ice packs that we got from Don Quixote and like using it on our necks and everything because it's so freaking hot. But we just ordered our tofu pudding, so it's gonna come soon. I'm going crazy. It's so goddamn hot. If you guys are an OG and watched my last Taiwan vlog, we were sitting at the same spot. It's so good. Yeah, best pudding, tofu pudding ever.
I like love tofu pudding. It's weird to call it that, but I've been looking for something like this in New York and like literally non-existent. They only have like the Cantonese versions, or I think it's Cantonese, and it literally doesn't taste
Right?
anything like this, and it's always hot. It's like hot pill hot.
Mm.
But they don't even make it good, even. Yeah.
Yeah, this is so good. Bye. We're in line for scallion pancakes, and these are like very famous, and like these cute little grandmas make it for you. So I'm so excited to eat it. We get it every single year when we come back. Hi guys, we are now at a bar called Sofa So Far. Get it?
Because there's a
So
lot of sofas
close
here.
yet so far.
Oh. I didn't know it was so close yet so far.
Wait, I don't know if that is. I have no.
We
clue.
interpreted
I just
the names
yeah,
very differently.
I know. But it's currently 8:29 and we got 2 drinks for now, but I think we're gonna have to get a third because there's a minimum spend everywhere and it's kind of a lot, so we'll update you guys. But yeah, this is the first bar we've had to buy 3 drinks for. There's barely anyone here right now, so it's very calming. But yeah, we'll taste test the drinks with you in a little bit. Taste testing your drinks. I don't really know which one's which.
It's not super strong.
This one is really good. We don't really like coconut, so. It's not bad, but oh god.
Oh no.
It's giving Malibu and I'm scared.
We can ask him for another recommendation for the third one that we're required to order.
Yeah, or maybe we'll get like a mocktail, but that doesn't hit the requirement.
Let's just ask if we can just pay the difference.
Okay, facts. Okay, yeah, we're probably just gonna chill here for a bit and then go see you tomorrow. Because apparently it's gonna rain this whole next week, so I'm kind of scared and I'm not excited, but